And you have black holes, you have expanding galaxies, dark matter, and so on. Astrophysics just keeps unlocking mysteries of the universe. The question that comes to mind now is, what if this cosmic phenomenon aren't just random forces? What if they're direct expressions of divine will? You see, this is how astrophysics and the Qur'an intersect. And this is how the universe testifies to Allah's unmatched power. The Qur'an never came down as a science textbook, but it repeatedly calls us to reflect on creation. Allah Azza wa Jal says in the Qur'an, "Indeed, in the creation of the heavens and the earth are signs for people of understanding." Cosmic phenomena aren't meaningless. They're ayat, signs. As Imam al-Ghazali said, the universe is a book opened by the Creator to those willing to read it with both heart and reason. Astrophysics describes the how, and the Quran reveals the why. In 1929, Edwin Hubble discovered the universe is expanding, but the Quran mentioned it over 1446 years ago. The Quran says in chapter 51, verse 47, "And we built the heaven with might, and we are expanding it." Coincidence? Well, Ibn Taymiyyah reflected and said that Allah Azza wa Jal, His creation is in constant motion by His command. Signs for those who reflect. You see, the universe isn't a dead system. It's a dynamic expression of divine will. Astrophysics, therefore, describes black holes as invisible giants, devouring everything, even light. And the Quran further says that in chapter 81, verse 15 and 16, in the meaning of the translation, "I swear by the invisible stars that glide and hide." You see, classical tafsir linked this verse to celestial bodies, moving yet unseen. Today, scientists describe black holes with similar words: moving, hidden, massive in force, and so on. Is this a scientific prediction? Maybe. Or perhaps it's a sign that revelation always points beyond the visible. Every star, planet, and galaxy moves in precise orbits. As Allah Azza wa Jal says in the Quran in chapter 21, verse 33, in the meaning of the translation, "And each swims along in its orbit." Ibn al-Qayyim rahimahullah said, "Nothing in the universe escapes His decree, even the silent movement of the stars." And modern astrophysics confirm that planets orbit stars, stars orbit galactic centers, even galaxies move within cosmic structures. A silent testimony of order, not chaos. And philosophically, what does all this mean? Does cosmic order point to blind chance or to a designer? And subhanAllah, Imam al-Ghazali taught in Maqasid al-Falasifa that regularity in creation is evidence of a single wise creator, not random occurrence. Every law of physics, every constant, every fine-tuned condition screams design. Dark matter holds galaxies together. Gravity curves space and time. Black holes govern galactic centers. Not chaos, but command. Allah Azza wa Jal says in the Quran in chapter 36, verse 82, His command is only when He intends a thing. He says to it, be, and it is. Astrophysics unveils the mechanics. The Quran unveils the meaning. The universe isn't random. It's a canvas of Allah Azza wa Jal's will, painted across the cosmos. Allah Azza wa Jal says in the Qur'an, in the meaning of the translation in chapter 41, verse 53, we will show them our signs in the horizons and within themselves until it becomes clear to them that this is the truth. So whether you look through a telescope or open the Qur'an, you're staring at the same truth. The cosmos is in submission to its creator. And it's time for us as human beings to submit fully to Allah Azza wa Jal, the creator of all that exists.